And today we're going to be building one of the most affordable builds that you can ever imagine. So for motherboard, we're going to be using B550M. It's one of the best motherboards in my opinion. And the brain of our PC is going to be Ryzen 5 3600 XT. It's a slightly overclocked version of the usual Ryzen, so it's slightly better. So first we need to put our CPU in the bracket and just close it. And for the memory, I'm going to be using 500 GB because it's very affordable, very good in quality. And it's gonna definitely be launching our system really fast. That's what I really like about it. Now we just need to screw it on real quick. It's being done very simple. Okay, now we just placed our SSD on the spot. And in this build, I'm gonna be using 16 gigs of RAM because it's very cheap and affordable. That's one, and that's two. So our base is completely ready. Now it's time for their case. Some Thermaltake case for MATX motherboards is very cheap also. I got it for only like, I think 20 bucks, but it looks very nice. So we need to put our fans first. It has very nice glass panel in front so you can see all your fans. Okay, so the case is ready now. It's installed 3 fans and 1 fan at the back for ventilation. Now it's time to put our motherboard inside this case. So we just slide it inside. It's very simple also, guys. And now it's just time to screw. This is going 1, here goes 2, here goes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, and then it goes 8. Now that's done, now it's time to put some thermal paste on our CPU. We're gonna be putting a thin layer. Yep, you guys, that's good enough. Okay, now we're putting our CPU tower. It goes here, then we use our drill. 1. And then it goes 2, and the rest we just finish with the screwdriver with a special tension. And now we just need to, god damn, it's so tight. And I guess that's 2. Okay, for this build I'm gonna be using some random power supply for 650 watts. Just slide it in right here, and then screw it back on. That one is done. And for GPU I'm gonna be using GTX 1660 because it's pretty good. It's super version, so it's pretty okay for our budget considering that we don't really have much money, but it's fine. We're just gonna slide it in, then screw it back on real quick, and then the cable management is the only thing gonna be left. And also I almost forgot about the last thing that we need to put in. That's our Wi-Fi module, because come on, nowadays everyone needs Wi-Fi. It doesn't really cost anything. I got it for less than 30 bucks I think, and it's a very nice addition to our PC. So we're just gonna slide it in this slot, then we just need to connect it, and then we are done. Okay guys, and now the last thing we need to do is the cable management. Yes, this is very messy. This is like lots of wires, but we're gonna deal with it just in a second. Oh. And here's our cable management. I think it's actually ideal. It's so good, bro. Where have you seen better cable management in the $500 build? That looks very clean. Beside this part, but I can't do anything about it. But the rest I think is just perfect. Can't almost see like any stupid wires. Yeah, so here it looks very clean and neat. Here I also hide the cable very well. And now it's time to actually start it. So let me finish the build and we're gonna start. So here goes our front panel. Then here we put our glass. That's done. So I think this is very clean PC. The cable management, and it's ready to start. Let me just bring the cable. We power it on. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Guys, so here's our PC is ready.